Alrighty guys, so I'm actually outside right now, as you can tell. I actually did not realize that it had been raining for most of the day, so a lot of stuff is really wet out here, and it still looks a little scary in the sky right now, but it is what it is. I've actually only tried ollies and pop shove-its and things like that in grass because I don't quite have the muscle memory down yet, and I'm a little bit nervous to try them on concrete before I feel really confident. So let's go ahead and head over to the grass and I'll try some stuff. So before I do any actual skateboarding, I wanted to show you guys my board. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see me right now, but I'm taking you over to where I was just trying those tricks. Because I think because of the rain, my wheels just keep sinking into the ground and it's not very good at all. I can't pop shove it or just shove it even. Alrighty, so this is one trick. It's really lame, really not even a trick, but it's something I can do almost every single time. I've even sent this one on concrete. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that right now. Yeah, that's about it. It's thundering right now. I think it might rain. I'm sorry that I suck so bad. I don't even know if I can send any of this stuff on concrete. I wasn't able to land anything that I deemed successful even in grass today. Some days are just like that. I actually haven't skateboarded in about 5 days or so. I think I've lost a lot of the muscle memory I used to have. I'm gonna go ahead and run the clip of me hitting this trick right here on concrete, and I'm also gonna run the clip of my best ollie attempt in grass and my 2 best shove-it attempts in grass. So enjoy those clips. Yeah, so literally ever since I came inside, it's been like pouring rain. Hey, what's going on guys? So today is actually the day I'm uploading this video. Yesterday I got totally rained out, as you guys saw, from all my skateboarding stuff. Don't worry, more skateboarding stuff is still coming in this video, but I actually woke up really early today and went shopping for some stuff for my dorm at university. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert some b-roll right here of the stuff that I got from that home goods store. Don't worry, there's still more skateboarding stuff like I said, but this is a vlog challenge, so I am going to be including other parts of my day besides just the thumbnail and title of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little bit of b-roll from all of the new stuff that I bought for the kitchen in my dorm. I also picked up some sheets for my bedroom, but anyway, hopefully you enjoyed it. And it's actually dark outside and I didn't get to film any more skateboarding clips, but thankfully I have so many skateboarding clips on my phone from when I first started that I've never uploaded to YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and make an edit with those to end off this video. If you want to see more skateboarding content or like a tips and tricks video, any of that kind of stuff from like myself, a beginner, then be sure to drop it in the comments below. I'll definitely make it for you guys. And so yeah, let's go ahead and roll that skateboard edit. Hopefully you enjoy.